Introducing the Ivation Overstuffed Portable Washer. It's so small you can store it in a closet. And it's so light you can easily maneuver it around your home. To get started, plug it in. Remove the included hose and sink adapter. Attach the wider end to your sink and tighten with the enclosed clamp. Connect the narrow edge to the top left of the washer. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just drop your dirty clothes inside. Up to 15 pounds per load. Use any detergent you like. And choose hot or cold water. Choose your wash cycle. And set the wash timer. A powerful spindle spins your clothing in both directions, removing dirt, grease, and grime. When the cycle is finished, grab the drain and choose the drain option. A powerful pump drains your washer fast. Shut the pump off when it's finished. To begin your spin cycle, first remove the drain cover. Fill your clothing into the spinner. And press the drain cover down firmly to push out soapy water. Move the hose from the left to the right side of the machine. And start your spin cycle. The drain will continue to release water as water spins out. Run the cycle again with no water to begin the drying process. After 5 minutes, your spin cycle is complete. And your clothes are clean and fresh. So hang it up or throw it in a dryer. For cleanup, simply unplug, disconnect the hoses, pick it up, and stick it in a closet. Bet you can't do that with your parents' washer. Ivation for life.
When the weather is hot, you need an efficient way to stay cool. Serene Life's portable air conditioners are your solution to staying comfortable when outside temperatures rise. A sleek modern design is packed with an efficient cooling system that can go anywhere around the house, at the office, or even out in the garage. With remote control access, you can quickly and easily shift through modes of cooling, fan, and dehumidifier. Select your desired temperature without interrupting your relaxation. Smooth rolling caster wheels allow for easy transport between rooms, so you can bring comfort to any area of the house. Simply roll to your desired location, easily install the windowsill, attach the flexible vent hose, and feel the cool breeze quietly generated just for you. Save energy by cooling only the spaces you need. Everyone knows cooler temperatures help you rest better, and with Serene Life's portable AC, you no longer have to cool your entire home to get optimal sleep. With their super quiet operation and built-in swing vent function, you can enjoy a nice cool breeze all night long or while you're at work without any disturbing noises. The dehumidifier mode allows you to control moisture levels as well, making your air feel fresher by reducing the occurrence of allergens like dust mites and mildew. A built-in 24-hour timer allows you to set cooling times to your schedule. Everything you want in one space-saving unit. Make your spaces comfortable again with a portable air conditioner by Serene Life.